If you have a family, if you have a kids, wala pong makakapalit sa physical presence niyo with your children. Hey guys, this is Jon Orana and I'd like to share with you guys a true story. And today, pag-usapan natin how to get more clients, prospects, subscribers, leads, or customers for your business. Hey guys, it's Jon Orana from Negosyo University. No, listen up. Ako po ay isang anak ng dating OFW for like the 10 years of my life. Ang mga father ko po are working sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And just like many parents out there, they just want to provide for the family. And sometimes you don't see any opportunities in the Philippines, they go abroad para po kumita at maghanap buhay. Now, the reason guys I'm sharing guys this because there is finally a great opportunity for many OFWs out there to have this kind of business that they can slowly transition to. Listen up, marami po akong naging estudyante ngayon ng mga dating OFW. May mga ilan naman po kong mga dating seaman who now have stayed at home. Ibig sabihin hindi na po sila ngayon umaakyat sa barko because of this great opportunity that internet has given them, has given us. The reason I'm sharing guys is dahil marami rin po kong lumalapit sa atin asking for help, and some of them are OFWs na ang game plan nila is they're gonna work abroad for many years and then they're gonna save money, and then whatever income or yung savings nila, they're gonna start a business in the Philippines. Well, the chances of that succeeding is very slim to none. I'm not trying to discourage you guys, but here's the reason why. If you are an OFW, you work as an employee for whatever job, kung ano man po yung trabaho ninyo or seaman, your skill set is about the job, your employment. In other words, wala kang skills for entrepreneurship. So now, nakaipon ka, gonna go back home, go to the Philippines, so be with your family, and then start a business. But then again, as I've mentioned, you don't have a skill set for an entrepreneur. So you're gonna launch a business. It's like tumalong ka sa aeroplano and then magtatahi ka ng parachute mo along the way on your way down. The chances again of you failing is extremely high. Now with the internet, with this technology, as you guys can see, you're watching me wherever you are, dahil po sa capability, because of the computer chipset and all this internet that I've been talking about. With this internet guys, you can start to learn on your extra time, learn how to create a product that people want to buy, learn how to market and sell online, learn how to use this YouTube or Facebook for marketing or advertising your product or services. These are something that you can do on your part-time. Kaya ako po nasasabi yun because that's what I have done. Matagal ko na pong pangarap magnegosyo, but if you were gonna talk about the traditional businesses, when you say traditional, like mga restaurant, it costs a lot of money to get started, and the risk is high because the cost of money nga po is malaki, yung capitalization, and then it requires a lot of your time, and wala ka actually flexibility. Unlike with this online business, you can do it before you go to your office or after your work. So it's really, you don't have excuse anymore. And to get started, you can just get a website. Cost you what, 500 pesos o sabihin mo ng 1,000 pesos to have a website, to have your own domain name, and start from there. And then market whatever product you're selling on Facebook, which is for free. You can just create a Facebook page, business page, which is for free. There's a Facebook group you can market it to, which is also for free. It's like wala na pong dahilan. Now, for most of you, probably won't take action from what I'm saying, because here's the truth, my friend. For some people, your motivation is so weak that you won't take action. It's easy to say you have big dreams. It's easy to say that, you know, this is what I'm gonna do. At the end of the day, it's the action. It's your action that will speak for your dreams. I remember several years ago, Ako po ay sobrang baon sa utang. When I say sobrang baon sa utang, that I don't even have enough cash in my wallet to buy a tasty bread or sliced bread. Ganun po kabaon sa utang. Literally, wala na talagang pera. I have 2 credit cards that are maxed out. I have a line of credit that are also maxed out. So pretty much, sagad na ako sa bangko. Hindi na ako makakautang pa. Wala nang mauutang pa. The funny thing sa bangko is pag sagad na sagad ka na, lalong hindi ka na nila pautangin because you're in a big trouble, right? So that's what happened to me. But looking back, I'm thinking why I persisted. Because I just want to really make it happen. That's the thing. I just really want to make things happen. And now I got a opportunity to share and motivate you guys, because several years ago I didn't give up. Now my question to you is, if you want to start this online business, this kind of business, are you highly motivated? Because I gotta tell you guys this, if you work abroad, napansin ba ninyo, or if you're a seaman or you're an OFW, time flies so fast. Because I'm telling you, marami pong lumalapit sa atin. I have someone that I know na sabi niya, she went to Hong Kong. Nung nasa isip niya, sabi niya, I'm just gonna work for 2 years sa Hong Kong. 25 years after, nasa Hong Kong pa din siya. And I gotta tell you, my friend, as a son of an OFW, I know your hard work. I told you, my father was an OFW. I have many students who are former OFW, and many of them are still OFW. I gotta tell you this: if you have a family, if you have a kids, wala pong makakapalit sa physical presence niyo with your children. I know you love them. The reason you're making all these sacrifices is for them. There's no question. There's no doubt about it. But yung technology and Facebook Live and all those things, or FaceTime rather, they're all nice. Pero hindi po kayang palitan yung physical presence ninyo with your kids. And I'm talking here not as an entrepreneur. I'm speaking here, guys, as a father of 3 kids, or as a son of former OFW. So I know, again, you're making all the sacrifices because you love your kids. And guess what? Now is the day one to finally take action, move on, and start to get results. And I cannot wait for you guys to someday gonna share your success stories. Comment on this Facebook or in this video below, or send me an email telling me, Sir Jon, I made it. I'm now at home in the Philippines with my family, running my online business. So I'm really looking forward to that. I hope this short video will inspire you guys, will make you think, or at least kumbaga magising kayo sa mga natutulog dyan ng mga aspiring entrepreneurs. Muli po, maraming salamat. That's it for today. Peace out. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.